What's up, everybody? Show 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. As you can tell by the title, you already know what we're doing. Basically, I didn't even let you guys know this, but back like 2-3 weeks ago, we were in the area where the beater is, and I let Jalen drive it. Basically, while she was driving, the caliper locked up on her, and we like could hardly go anywhere. It was locked up and everything. So that's what we're doing today, is we're replacing the caliper, and then we're also going to beat the piss out of it and show you guys how much fun we can have in this car. So just be ready.
Awesome.
All right, how's it look under there?
Oh god, horrible.
We got an oil leak. If you can't tell.
What the hell is leaking?
It's be all right.
Keep stuff.
That's not the caliper.
Yeah, it keeps it from rusting.
Well, if it's a caliper, who cares?
All right, go ahead and here. Let me spray the
rat.
off.
Yeah, brake line.
Jackpot. Brake line is off. All right, do your magic and get the caliper off. I'm gonna grab the new one.
It sounds a lot worse than it is.
All right, we got the caliper off.
More power.
Heck
I
yeah.
forgot about that actually.
I want to know how much this car actually weighs. I'm kind of forgetting to record here because I'm just enjoying our beauty, but
He's a big statement.
Ryan's getting to work on it.
Yeah, why am I working on this car?
All right, tell me when. Wow, that feels weird. We got the car done, and I just went and tested it out to make sure it stopped good. She stops, and she also still rips. So we're gonna go have some fun with this thing.
Got a little more weight in here now.
It's so much louder as soon as it's off idle. It's insanely loud.
It would not be funny at all. I would be screwed. Zach could probably go to jail. I don't know what would happen to us. Quiet right there. Yeah, right there. There we go.
Really bad idea.
You're only at $2,000. You got plenty more.
Yep. See what we can do here. There's a car over there.
All right, Jay.
Put her to the wood.
Let her eat.
Don't miss a shift.
I don't know how to do that.
Right to the floor.
Just
That was pretty good. You left 2 marks. That was all right. That was pretty good.
County.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Oh, I can smell it.
Right through the puddle. Go through
Want me
the puddle.
to? Hit the puddle. Hit it.
No.
I'm gonna get soaked. I thought I just died. Let her eat. You should have done a rock first. Threw it in first and let her eat. You're going toward the field. Wow. Jay, you're
it is day 2 of the fixing the beater day. I just bashed in this fender, and I shouldn't have done that because now it's rubbing on the tire, but I kind of kicked it out. But now the hood won't close. But anyway, basically we're gonna beat some piss out of it some more today, but we got to figure out how to get this freaking heat shield from digging off the ground because it is annoying. Okay, we are honestly running out of ideas to get this heat shield up because we don't have access to a hoist or a jack or anything right now. We're just kind of, I don't have the tercel where I live, so we're kind of here where the tercel is, and we want to drive it, and we're trying to figure out how to get this freaking thing bent because we can't rip it off. I don't don't know.
Jack, you remember like Delta 47?
White shirts?
It might
Might be okay now.
be okay now. I guess there's only one way to find out.
Let's go for a ride.
Before you ask any questions, just hear me out for a second, then I'll ask you any questions. You got the gas on the right, brake in the middle, and then you're adding the clutch, which is on the left. So right now, feel how loose this is? I just shake it because I'm in neutral. So that means the transmission isn't trying to spin the wheels right now.
Right.
So now
It's spinning nothing.
it's spinning nothing. Yeah, it's on a clutch. It's just spinning nothing. That doesn't matter. When I put this clutch in, and I'm in first gear. So the pattern, it goes 1, 2, and then pretty much back into neutral. But when you do it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Picture it like an H. It's literally an H.
So, 1,
It goes over and up is 1,
okay, over.
and then all the way down is 2. And then so now you're at the bottom left of the H. You'll come up to the other side of the H. 3 and 4.
Okay.
But don't go into reverse.
You can't go in reverse if you're going through the gears.
Yeah, and then
If you have to
over-
put it in neutral. You have to put it in
Like a
neutral
double
first.
H, that's where 6. That's where reverse is, but you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Basically, what you want to do right now is you want to learn how to take off. So the clutch is in. Okay, I'm pushing the clutch in.
Okay.
I'm going up into first. So now, when I start, now just listen to it. I'm gonna start letting the clutch out so low. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
It's starting to grab. That's the transmission starting to touch the engine. It's starting to rub,
Okay.
and it wants. Now it's connected to the wheels, so it wants to start moving. Like that. That's when you're gonna give it gas.
Just a hair of
So
gas.
watch this. Yeah, you're like, you let it out, it's starting to grab. And now you're good. Now you can let off the clutch and you're all good. So you
Can I
push the
shift
clutch in.
it for you so
Go
I
ahead.
can kind of,
Try
okay.
going to first.
So I go over,
And up.
up.
Yep.
Right,
Yeah,
so that's first.
So now, I'm going to let off the clutch just a little bit.
playing.
It's starting to grab. And now I'm giving it some gas.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go. I'm going to push the clutch and let off. That's fourth.
You gotta go straight down.
Yep.
There you go,
Well,
girlfriend.
yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Even a little bit over is
Now we're at a stop sign, so I'm gonna push the clutch in and just put it into neutral. Kind of in the middle. And just kind of wiggle it around. Don't even give it gas yet. Just let it off a little bit. Slower.
Now just slam on gas. I'm just kidding.
A little more. Keep going. Hold on, push it out of the way again. There we go. Now it's in here. Okay, now let it off just slow.
Kind of ground first gear a little bit there, bud.
Feel that?
Yes.
Now push back in, roll it. So now you know what you're feeling, right?
Yes.
You're like, okay, once it starts getting slow. So now when you feel that again, as slow as you're letting off, slowly give it that much gas.
Okay.
Give it a little bit of gas. And go. Look at that. See? It's
Look
that
at that.
easy. Now, go up a little higher, go
Oh,
to
that's
20.
good. That's the best
Now,
good.
let off the gas and push the clutch in at the same time. Push the clutch in. Push the gas. Okay, go a little. Push the clutch in. Push the clutch in. We'll stop again. We're gonna have you take off again. So push the clutch in, and then pull this down, just halfway.
Wait, so
Just pull it down. Yep. No. Right there. And now you're neutral. So now you can stop. So you can let off the clutch and hit the gas, hit the brake.
Zach, you want to film this?
You go because you're neutral. Yeah,
It's
I
not
can
really
start
hard
it.
to
Okay, so now we're gonna do that again.
Okay.
So push the clutch in, and then take this and go left and up. That's first gear.
Okay.
So now you're in first. So when you let the clutch out, it's gonna start grabbing, and then that's when you're gonna give it gas again. Gas. There you go. Nice. Okay, so now when you let off the gas is when you're gonna push the clutch in at the same time. Do it right now. Push it all the way. Now bring it down. Now let off and do the gas again. You're in second.
Okay.
So now go to like 30 miles an hour.
Do the same thing.
Yep, and do the same thing. You're gonna go push the clutch in.
Okay.
Now you're gonna go like that. Yep, now let off and do the same thing. Now you're in third.
It's that easy.
It's that easy. Okay, so you're gonna take a right, so I'm gonna let you do it all by yourself.
So I still push the clutch in.
Get to come to a full stop. All right. Yep, so now you got the clutch in.
Alright, drive
Okay.
that.
And then now go into first. All right, now you do it all yourself.
5 minutes.
Nice.
Am I
Yep.
in third? Or-
You're in fourth, yep.
okay.
So push it back in, push the clutch back in, and let off the gas. And now kind of lift it up and go over, and then bring it down. Yep, now
Okay.
you're safe.
Sorry.
That's all right, it's all right. You have not killed it yet. That is like, you've already beaten half the world. Yeah. Crank the wheel first. Okay, well, so now that we're done kind of beating the piss out of it, I'm gonna shoot at it. And it's not like a freaking like real gun, just a pellet gun, but kind of wanna see what happens. Oh. Okay. I got that one pretty good. Alright guys, so if you guys are new to the channel and don't know basically what I'm talking about right now, the car that I'm currently standing on is our 1992 Toyota Tercel. Now this car we literally bought for $150. It's a car to basically literally do whatever we want to it. The car that you've always wanted to beat on and do stuff to, but you didn't want to do it to your own stuff. This is what we bought this car for. I mean, to start it off, it's got a light bar in the front. The hood doesn't shut all the way, and we've also stepped on it quite a bit. Kicked in fender. We just replaced the brake caliper, as you guys saw. What else? It is a 4-speed manual with a 1500 cc. Well, that didn't work. 1500 cc motor, which has been beat on plenty of times. And you can see it has an oil leak. Also, probably needs some oil in it in general. You already heard how it ran. Yeah, this is our beater. It's got backup beepers. And yeah, this is our crap car. Alright guys, so like I explained back 2 videos ago, no, just 1 video ago, last video before this one, that was from like June. We did that back in June. I just never had it was never the right time to upload it. I had other things to upload at the time, and then I was heading to training, like I said. So that was from like 2 months ago almost. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Current update, the transmission, I just actually like 10 minutes ago dropped off the transmission fluid and the transmission book that I ordered to Justin so he can finish the transmission. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record it because he might have to do it on his own time, which is better than not getting it done. So whenever he can do it, you know, it's on him. If I can be there, I can be there. If not, no big deal. And then otherwise, still planning on buying wheels and tires for the truck. That should be coming within a week or so. And still going drag racing. New thing, we're going to Woodward now this weekend. On Saturday, we're gonna be going to Woodward for the Woodward Dream Cruise. A bunch of us are going. So that'll be fun. And then it's still planned to go up to Andy's, get all my motor into a box, or into boxes. Jalen's gonna work on her car. And then Labor Day weekend, going to Atlanta. So everything's still planned for August. It's just kind of at the end of August. It's going to be a busy last 2-3 weeks of August. But hope you guys enjoyed. Just always fun hanging out and doing stuff with the beater. I know it's kind of hard to hear because the drone of the beater is so bad. But yeah, like I said, it's always fun. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.